Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove watermark from all pages in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then go to the file menu. Select the print option and check the preview. We can see here a watermark. Now we want to remove this. Go to the insert menu, select the header and footer option. Now we can see here header dialog box and we can see here a image. You want to delete this, select the text, click and drag on our mouse and delete the text. Then click inside the sheet, go to the view menu, select the normal option. Then go to the file menu again, select the print option, and we can see we remove the watermark in from all pages very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.